Hello friends, welcome back to Learn with Lakshman Dharmaraj. Today we're going to discuss nature and scope of philosophy. Before I begin to talk about nature and scope of philosophy, I would like to request you to subscribe for this channel if you are new to it. So let's get started. We are human beings and we have a tendency to inquire and reason about the world around. Philosophy explores abstract problems that are besides the concerns of everyday functioning. It is said that philosophy evolved out of curiosity and inquisitiveness. Aristotle said that inquisitiveness impels humans to desire to know what they initially do not know. There are some definitions of philosophy given in Oxford Dictionary and Merriam-Webster Dictionary. Let us have a look at these definitions of philosophy. According to Oxford Language Dictionary, the study of ideas and beliefs about the meaning of life is philosophy. Oxford Language Dictionary also gives another definition of philosophy as a set of beliefs that tries to explain the meaning of life or gives rules about how to behave. According to Merriam-Webster, it is a particular set of ideas about knowledge, truth, the nature and meaning of life, etc. There is another definition given by Merriam-Webster also. According to Merriam-Webster Dictionary, philosophy is a set of ideas about how to do something or how to live. We have the nature of philosophy and scope of philosophy. All of us has our opinion about the significance of existence, freedom of will, human quality, morality, etc. We all have our opinions or views. Thus, the subject matter of philosophy is nothing but the reality. We commonly think, what is man? The focus of philosophy remains on man's existence, origin, as to how man came into being or how living beings came into being, the purpose of life, what is the purpose of the life of a human, what is the purpose of a life of other animals, and what is the purpose of life of plants, and what is the destiny. The focus of philosophy thus remains on man's existence, origin, the purpose of life, and destiny. According to Small 2004, philosophy also explores themes such as the presence of God, absolute or universal moral principle, the theory and source of the knowledge, and pragmatically addresses challenges linked with the human life. It is said that philosophers also inquire about earth, beauty, morality, and reasoning. Philosophy also examines the fundamental and conceptual structure of the diverse field of study. Philosophy seeks to answer the questions like, what is man? What is the purpose of life? Is there life after death? Is there any purpose of this universe? What is the world? Who has created this world? Has it been created? What is the concept of God or the Supreme? What is knowledge and how to get it? What is the truth? How do we differentiate between right and wrong? The scope of philosophy extends to analyzing and imperatively assessing ideologies and conventions related to the reality and the existence of humans. Philosophers critically evaluate the language and elucidate the meaning of terms, expressions, and concepts. Philosophy strives to understand the world logically and comprehensively. According to Broad Chalet, 1992, the object of philosophy is to take over the results of various sciences, to add to them the religious and ethical experiences of mankind, and then to reflect on the whole. That is what philosophy is. It takes science, it adds religion to it, it adds ethics to it, and then it adds experiences of mankind to whole thing and reflect on it. Thus, philosophy is inquisitive, systematic, interdisciplinary, totalitarian, human, logical, analytical, descriptive, and so on. Philosophy is inquisitive because it undertakes the inquiry about a lot of things, including universe, creation, purpose of human life, humanity, and a lot many things. It is systematic because it undertakes the study of things logically and using specified steps and methods. Philosophy is called interdisciplinary because it includes arts, science, humanities, and all other faculties related to human life and the universe. Therefore, philosophy is also called totalitarian because it includes everything in it. Philosophy is called human because it studies everything in relation to human beings, universe in relation to human beings, other planets in relation to human beings, other animals in relation to human beings, and so on. Philosophy is called logical because it considers logic only. It doesn't do things illogically. It is analytical as well as descriptive. That is why it is scientific. It is unbiased, not biased, and it aims at finding the truth in the world. Philosophy encompasses everything related to universe in general and human life in particular. Thus, we've seen that philosophy is a discipline that undertakes the study of multiple things and try to relate them to the human life. It does so in order to understand the truth of the world, of the humans, of the existence, of the purpose, and of everything, of the God, of the Supreme, and of everything that has been spoken about and that will be spoken about. Philosophy seeks the truth, and by seeking the truth, it seeks the betterment of the universe and everything in it. Everything, including plants, animals, planets, bodies, all living things. It does so that humanity should thrive, it should sustain, and it should perpetuate. It should work for the betterment of the universe in general and for the betterment of themselves in particular. Thus, philosophy is an extremely important branch of study. Philosophy is mainly classified into three branches, namely metaphysics, epistemology, and axiology. Metaphysics has its sub-branches like cosmology, teleology, and ontology. Epistemology has its sub-branches like agnosticism, skepticism, priori, and posteriori, while axiology has its sub-branches called ethics, aesthetics, and logic. We'll talk about the branches of philosophy in the next video. I think you have understood what is philosophy, what is its nature, and what is the scope of philosophy. If you have liked this video, please hit the like button. Thank you very much for watching.